Meet ASUS ZenBook A16, the ultra-light, ultra-smart powerhouse for the demanding commuter. Experience immersive visuals with a 16-inch 120Hz 3K ASUS Lumina OLED display. Rich audio from 6 speakers, 4-star aluminum chassis, all packed under 1.2 kilograms, the fastest and the most powerful Snapdragon laptop. Enables all new use cases in a thin and light design. You can now do media editing and rendering like never before, achieving gaming performance competitive with discrete cards. Here's the new ASUS ZenBook Duo, ready to unfold, outlast, and outperform. Comes in an all-star aluminum, which spans both top and bottom lids, including the kickstand, with a 93% screen-to-body ratio and the gap down to just 8mm. That's a 70% gap reductions compared to previous Duo. Features our best ASUS Lumina Pro OLED displays, a custom 6-speaker setup with our best-in-class anti-reflecting coating. The display looks perfect at any angle, demand performance, which means no trade-offs allowed. We start with redesigning the thermal system. A 28% improvement in thermal design power is impressive. With Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processor and the new Intel Arc graphics, you get a huge performance leap. Inside the new Duo is a massive 99-watt dual battery architecture. Every component was put through extensive endurance tests. This is our most refined and premium Duo ever,